What's up guys, welcome to another video today. This is my friend owner. Oh my god, she's pouring everything. And I didn't that when she did videos. I don't know. Today, she's the voice not working. What's up guys, today welcome to another video. Please subscribe so they can let's go. Oh my god, this. So guys, this is my friend. Yeah, say hello. And this is my friend. Please like and subscribe. Please, if I want to hit 50 subscribers. Please, okay, let's join the game. I will the game on the description. I will see if you will go to description. You will see the game there. The game is I will in the comments. I will So this is my friend Christian Edal. This is the owner. This is my friend. This is him. This is the the head admin. This is the head admin. This is the admin. This is my friend. This is co-owner, and I'm only VIP. This is my friend recording. Say hi to him. So let's get started playing. Looking for trolling. Yo. Guys, welcome. Up to the end. Make sure like the video and subscribe if you like his outfit. It looks good on him. And this one, the head on. Look at her. Look at her. She got out of. Oh my god. Right, she's on. He didn't buy this one. Alright guys, let's do this. Don't mess with my friend. Really hit 50 million. Okay, let's do Wait, I'm gonna say to my friend. Yeah. I'm gonna do that. Yeah. I'm recording. Wait guys, I don't know how to spell because I'm only 9 years old. Recording. Recording. Record. Just wait guys, I'm still. I forgot I made this moon stuff. Chat. I tried to do chat. Oh guys, this is gonna be so bad. She's gonna use chat hack. If you do that commands, it will be really annoying. It legitly moon slap is big bruh. Oh yeah. Bruh. Say hi to this and say hi to this. It's an admin. Better get out of my face. I can still keep you. What do you expect something to fling people to Mars? Alright guys, let's do this. Oh my god guys. Accidental the plan. I'm just joking. If you wanna see me playing Grow a Garden in my private server, I will do that guys. I will. if I finish this video, maybe I will record. Yo. So guys, I'm in my cell phone. This is Android guys. So yo, she has a banana. Look at this guys. Check lang. Oh my god guys. I'm really laggy because my record. If I'm recording, it's really laggy. So I have to do this. I have to reset my phone after okay, let's go beat this tower. Psych! That's the wrong number. Oh, joke lang. I'm just joking. Okay, guys, can you do this, guys? Guys, are you Chinese? Cause if you can do this, please comment. If you yes or no. Okay, guys, let's look to the leaderboard. Oh my god, guys, I donate 35 Robux, and here I'm top 3. And the next one, first get free head up. And the owner said whoever is top 3 will get an admin. And she didn't give, she still giving me admin. So image from us. No. No, do that. Don't do that. Stop trying to look good. Lol. Stop trying to look good, guys. He said, the head admin said. Oof. Earth. Kill this kind of guy. Okay. If you know me, better go subscribe to him. She's not trolling. She's helping too. Okay, let's go beat this. Without dying. If I die, oh my god, I'm so bad at this game. I'm a family friend. I'm not swearing. I'm a good boy. Please like and subscribe. Bye, Dokla. I'm just joking. Okay, guys, let me introduce you. This is my friend Yat, and she's real name is Mars, and this is Zepex. I don't know how to pronounce his name. And Zepex Art Banland. Oh my god, nice. Oh my god, guys. Am I getting banned? Wait. Let's do this. You know, I'm a VIP, so I can do this. I can do commands on myself. Like this, /ice. No. Okay, that's not nice. /jail. I can do /jail. Oh my god, guys. I can do multiple. And jail. And on ice. It will do it at the same time. Look! Yay! No, I can do. Guys, should I do this is the VIP, I unlock it. But this is an guys. Oh my god. First field. Ooh, I can do that. /view, /more, /chair. /chair. Zepex. /chair. Zepex. I don't know. On myself. Oh. And then /chair on this. Guys, look at this, guys. I'm Roblox. I didn't buy this VIP. She gave it. Guys, I'm a good singer. Just don't hate me. Oh my god, what is this, guys? Wait, look at this, guys. I'm gonna clear my inventory. Oh, yo. Oh. Alarm Mamula. This is done actually. Heh. What's up? What's up? I'm getting bullied. Alarm Mamula. Get up on the floor. Him, not me, guys. Guys, look at this. Oh my god, guys, stop it. Nga gumising na na.
Sino nga yan?
AK-47. AK-47. Bagan. Right, bagan, you know. No. This is lol. Oh, take a peek. The title me bald guy. Or what? Picture guys, picture. Let's go picture. Community pic. Eh. Ba. Okay guys. Please like and subscribe. And like the video. The owner real name is Mars. Goodbye. Like and subscribe. Bye.